for AMC 8, question 19. Jordan owns 15 pairs of sneakers. 3/5 of the pairs are red and the rest are white. 2/3 of the pairs are high top and the rest are low top. The red high top sneakers make up a fraction of the collection. What is the least possible value of this fraction? So this question is sort of like a pigeonhole problem. Which is like, let's see, you have 4 pigeons, you have 3 boxes, then at least one box got to have 2 pigeons. But it's a harder version of this pigeonhole problem. So let's go deeper into this question. The first part goes to fractions. Make sure you understand fractions, make sure you understand how to do the calculation. So let's see. Your total is 15. 3/5 are red. So 15 times 3/5 equal to 9. So 9 of them are red. And 6 of them are white. Similarly, I'll just call this HL or high-low to save some words. Now 2/3 are high top, so 15 times 2/3 equal to 10. So 10 high, 5 low. Now the question is, how can you have the least possible number of red highs? Right, so red and high. You are not trying to maximize it because maximize is easy. None. Right? You have 9 red, you have 10 high. So if you want to maximize this number, it's going to be just 9. But this time you want to minimize this number, which means you want to push red and high as far away as possible. So for this question, I'll use a graphical way to show how to do the calculation. In the end, I'm going to show you an equation, but that's in the end. I'll use a picture to make sure you understand how this works. So let's draw red and white out. The overall is 15. You have 9 red and 6 white. So it's roughly here. 9 R, 6 white. Now you draw the same picture for high and low, but remember, we want red and high to be as far away as possible. So when I draw this picture, since all the red are in the left side, I'm going to make high to the right side. So I'm going to draw the same picture, which is 15, but the right side is high. So 10H, 5L. So I'm trying to make red and high as far away as possible. However, they will have overlap. And this is the minimum red high you could have. Well, how big is this number? Let's see. It's going to cut off it from here and from here. And by using a picture, you can see we're cutting the 9 at the 5. So you have 4. This region is 4. And because of that, the minimum number of red high, so the minimum RH is 4, and the fraction here is going to be 4/15. So answer is going to be C. Now, I do want to give you an equation you can use going forward, but I do hope this picture help you understand why this is the case. Now, you probably can see you have 9 red, you have 10 high. So why can't I see they never overlap? The reason is because their total sum exceed 15. So there got to be some overlap. So the equation you can use for the minimal overlap is going to be number of red plus number of high. This is the thing, I'm trying to make them as far away as possible. If their total sum is less than 15, then I'm even able to see there's 0 of them. But since this exceeds the total number of pairs of sneakers, so minus total. In this case, it's going to be, I have 9 red plus 10. This is more than the overall number, minus 15. So this is telling me at least you need 4 red high to make the logic work. So your choice. Either you can use this graphical way to do it, or you can use this formula. Either way works. My preferred method is a graphical one because drawing it out really helped me understand why this is the case. Thank you.